Have you ever heard of the Great American Interchange, a prehistoric event that dramatically reshaped the animal kingdom? Picture this: around 3 million years ago, the tectonic collision of North and South America created the Isthmus of Panama, a land bridge that linked two previously isolated continents. This connection triggered an unprecedented migration of species between the lands, leading to a spectacular clash of ecosystems. Mighty saber-toothed cats from the north met with giant ground sloths from the south, and the competition for survival was fierce. This event not only altered the course of evolution for countless species but also set the stage for the modern biodiversity we see today. The Great American Interchange remains one of the most significant, yet lesser-known, episodes in Earth's natural history, a testament to the relentless march of life adapting and evolving through time.